today we'll be checking out the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit. I'll unbox the product, show you the box contents, and show you the entire application process. So make sure that you stay till the end of the video. So as you can see, I have unboxed the product and we get some documentation, some paperwork, and we have got some alcohol swabs inside it, some cloth material inside it, just to clean the screen for better application. And as you can see, we get two screen guards. So one is the primary screen guard which we'll be applying, and one is the one spare one, just in case due to any reason the previous one breaks off, so we can use another one. So it costed me 1099 from Amazon. I'll link it below and you can pick it up from there. So it's a very good screen guard, and along with this we get the squeegee to remove out the bubbles. So now let's start with the application process. So here I've got my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and before we do anything, we'll just clean it with this dry cloth which has been provided. And after that we'll quickly take the alcohol swab and we will give it a nice clean wipe, just to ensure that there are no micro or minute dust particles which is stuck over there, because that really creates those bubbles which stay around for a long period of time. They don't go away, and it spoils the entire look of the phone. So we'll just give it a nice and clean wipe, and then we will move further in the application process. Okay, so now we need to peel the complete back cover of the tempered glass, and now we're going to place this bracket. There are markings on all the sides of the bracket so that it's an easy placement, and we'll make sure that it's completely intact and on top of the phone. After ensuring this, then we will press in the center and move forward and backwards to ensure that the screen guard is right at the position and is stuck properly to the screen. Now we just need to wait for 30 seconds just to ensure that the screen guard is properly placed and properly stuck to the phone screen, and then we will just remove the entire bracket and the screen guard will be in place. After doing so, we just need to take any one of the edges and peel off the outer layer. And now as you can see, we have got our screen guard completely in place. So if there is any bubble formation, like in my case I have one right at the edge, so we just need to take the tool provided by Spigen and squeeze the bubble out from the edges to ensure that the screen guard is completely bubble free. So there you have it, guys. Now finally we just wipe it with the swab and the dry cloth, and that is the entire application of the screen guard. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, then please consider subscribing, liking and sharing the video. In case any point is not clear or if anything seems confusing, just drop it on the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, see you.